Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Real Estate Investments channel. In this video, we're going through another apartment in El Poblado. This is in the flat area of El Poblado. You want to stick till the end of the video because I'm going to go over the area on the map to show you exactly what's around here. So as you can see, we walked into the kitchen. This is the back area where it's the maid's quarters. It has a full bath, which is crazy because nowadays you don't really need a maid living in. But back in the day when these were built, 30 years ago, they did have maids living in the apartments. So this is the living area, and we're going to go look at the first bathroom here, which is the social bathroom for guests when you have them over. It does have a shower in it, so it is a full bath. That's because this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath apartment. 3 of the bedrooms do not have bathrooms in them, and that's not counting the maid's quarters in the back. Usually on listings in Colombia, you don't add the maid's quarters as a bedroom or a bathroom. This is that first bedroom here. It overlooks the little park in the back. As you can see, this is a very residential, very quiet apartment complex. You can do Airbnb here, though. You can do it from month to month. No less than that because it is residential. It's not zoned commercial. This is the second bathroom. It's also a full bath. It's for the bedrooms that don't have the bathroom, like these two right here. This one's a little bit bigger. It also overlooks that park in the back there. The square meters on this one's 162 square meters. That brings the cost per square meter to about 5,648,000 Colombian pesos, which is very competitive because the owner is motivated, and we also know that this is a remodel. A lot of people will want to remodel or at least upgrade a few of the things. Doesn't need a complete remodel, but you could if you wanted to. That's the great thing about these older buildings, is that you can knock down many of the walls, and if you need help with that, we've got contractors, we've got designers. I've remodeled 5 of them myself, and it's really fun to do because if you can envision the end product, you can really have a lot of fun with this using an architect, designer, etc. So that's the apartment. The asking price on this one is 915 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about 208,000 US dollars, depending on the exchange rate. Now let's go check out the map and see what's around here. As you can see, this is the map of Medellin right here. And this is the south here. This yellow area, as you can see here, is Calle 10, and Provenzas up here. Parque del Poblado is right here. Parquilleras is over here as well, where you have all the restaurants, cafes, hotels. Patio Bonito is located just south of that. The apartment building is located in this area right here. You are basically walking distance from all of the restaurants, the discos, the nightlife, all of the fun stuff that happens here, but you're far enough away where you're not going to get all that noise. This is a very residential neighborhood. Most of these buildings are zoned residential. They're not zoned for commercial use. There's very little hotels. As you can see, I think there's 1, 2, 3, and a couple of hostels maybe. Let's say you want to go grocery shopping. All you got to do is walk over here to the giant Éxito on Calle 10. This is the Éxito here. If you've been to Medellin and you've gone up Calle 10, you've probably seen this one. You've probably been in here at some point. That's the Éxito there. Let's say that you want to go to a mall or something. All you got to do is walk across the street to San Fernando Plaza here. San Fernando Plaza has a bunch of shops. It's got a coffee shop in there. As you can see in the pictures, there's a hotel up top, but on the ground floor, it's commercial. There's a little co-working spot as well. And let's say you want to go have dinner at a nice restaurant. This is one of my favorite streets. I'll show you, and I'll go down to the ground level here. I'll go to the street view here, and this little street here, there are restaurants and cafes along this street. But as you can see, there's not a ton of high-rises. I think that's the tallest building here, but this restaurant slash cafe is called Al Alma. It's right there. You've got Comfort Kitchen. You've got another cafe right here. And you've got the little whiskey bar. This map is not updated, but it's over here. Boutique del Whiskey, which is this one. As you can see, it's very modern. It looks awesome. It's something that you wouldn't expect to find in a residential neighborhood like Patio Bonito. But obviously, it's an up-and-coming neighborhood. So getting into this neighborhood now is definitely something that you want to do before the prices keep going up, because they're only going to keep going up. And another great thing about this neighborhood is that you're along Avenida Poblado from downtown all the way down to Envigado. It crosses the entire south of Medellin. And, you know, you've got like, again, walking distance. You've got La Estrada. You've got also the Santa Fe Mall, one of the biggest malls in all of Medellin. So you've got, for accessibility, this is definitely 5 stars. The other thing that I like about the neighborhood is that it's flat. Most of the neighborhoods here in El Poblado, as you can see, El Poblado is huge. It's basically all of the southeast of Medellin. And most of it over here is in hills. So if you're living in here, you've got some great views, but the caveat is that you're in the hills, so you're not going to be walking up and down a lot. As opposed to living in Patio Bonito, right here, you're going to be walking everywhere. Like if I just go to any point here and I go to the street view, this is all flat. Everything is flat here. And it's very residential. It's very safe. Most of these buildings have 24-hour security. There's a little creek that runs through the neighborhood here. It's very peaceful. It's great if you've got a family. It's great if you've got pets. Or if you're like me and you like to walk around the neighborhood, you like to walk to the cafe with your laptop to go get some work done, go to a co-working spot, or just enjoy peace and quiet and also be surrounded by a lot of greenery. All right, let's break this one down one last time. It's 162 square meters, which is approximately 1,700 square feet. It's on a second floor and it's got 2 long parking spots that can fit 4 cars. It's got 24-hour security and it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath apartment. It's got independent living areas and a full kitchen with gas-powered water heaters. It also has that separate laundry area and maid's quarters. And since it's an older construction, you can knock down a lot of the walls in case you do want to remodel. The homeowners association is 780,000 pesos per month, which is about 178 US dollars. Taxes per quarter are 1,200,000 Colombian pesos, which come out to be about $274 per quarter. And again, the asking price is 915 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about 208,000 US dollars. It's located in the vibrant, sought-after neighborhood of Patio Bonito in El Poblado. If you want to make an offer on this one, if you want to see it, or if you want something else, make sure to click the link in the description below, fill out our form, and somebody on our team will get back to you. We'll see you guys in the next one.